Hello everybody, this is Patti and welcome to my channel. I am about to cook some sausage fried rice, and the ingredients that you will need, I've already cooked my rice. As you can see here, I have about a pound of smoked sausage. You can use the sausage of your choice. In this skillet, I have a tablespoon full of avocado and olive oil mixed. Here I have some carrots and peas. They're frozen. I have my veggies cut up here: green onion, green bell pepper, and red and yellow bell pepper. 2 eggs that I'm going to beat and put in. I'm going to start off by browning my sausage. So my skillet is a little warm and I'm going to brown my sausage. As you can see here, I'm going to brown them and take them out of the skillet once they're brown, and then I will put in my veggies to saute, my green bell pepper and my red and yellow bell pepper, and this is the sausage in the skillet here. And I'm going to get that browned, and then I will put in, let me turn the skillet up higher, a little higher, so this can go on and brown. This is a quick dish. It doesn't take long, and it's a tasty dish. So how's everybody doing today? Today is Friday, and it's a good day. Okay, I have some parsley here. Parsley, dried parsley. I'm going to put parsley in here, just a little bit of parsley, and this is the parsley that I'm using. And I'm not measuring anything, and I'm putting in some onion powder, and I'm going to put in a little bit of garlic powder. Like I said, I'm not measuring, and that's in the egg. I have some white ground pepper that I'll put in, like so, and then I'll kind of beat this egg up, so when it's time for me to put it in the skillet, I will put it in. Okay, let me check the sausage. Just want to get them a little bit see, they're cooking in the skillet here. Just want to get them a little brown. And I'm going to take them out and then put in my bell peppers and green onions and all of that. Okay, I'm taking these out of the skillet. Now I'm going to put these seasonings in. Okay, put all of that in and get them a little bit soft. And once I get these all softened up, get them a little soft, then I will put in my peas and carrots. And you can put this in any order you like, but this is the order that I'm putting it in. Okay, getting these a little sauteed and soft. Yeah. And next I will put in my carrots. I have some frozen carrots cut up and a little green peas. I'm putting that in. And I'm going to Get this all tender. And I'll come back and show you when I get ready to put the sausage, egg, and the next thing I'll do when this is tender, then I will take it out and scramble the eggs. After I scramble the eggs, I'll take them out and put in the rice. No, I'll leave the eggs in and put the rice in. Probably 1.5 cups to 2 cups of rice will go in here. And then I'll come back. Okay, y'all, I'm back. And I added my rice to my 2 scrambled eggs. Then I put in my meats and my sauteed vegetables. Now I have a little bit of soy sauce. It's about, I would say, maybe 1/4 of a cup. Or maybe not quite. I may need to add a little more. But let's see here. And I have my skillet on low. I think I need a little bit more soy sauce. And then you season to your taste. If you think you need some salt or whatever. I didn't put any salt in. Not any at all. So if you think you need some, then you add some. Oh, let me see. I'm trying to get the top. I have a new bottle of soy sauce in which I'm going to add a little more. I think I need a little more soy sauce. But this is what it looks like. Sausage fried rice. I'm mixing it well. I will probably put a little more, but here it is. Sausage fried rice. Here it is, y'all. Look at that. I'll put just a tad bit more of sauce in here, and it is done. This is it. That's all there is to it. I'll talk to you guys in just a bit. Here it is, guys. Sausage fried rice. Look at that. It is wonderful. Oh, it tastes delicious. Look at that. Oops. Sausage fried rice. And this is my plate. So I will be eating this. Let me taste it. And here it is. Here it is. Here it is, guys. Look at that. Sausage fried rice. Let me taste it. It is so good. Quick and easy. So good, guys. This is Patti. Patti's Southern Kitchen. Please like, share, subscribe, follow. Thank you so much for all of your love and support. And please ring that notification bell. And I will talk to you on the next exciting video. Try this recipe. Follow the instructions. Use your own seasonings. And make you get a close-up of it now. Look at that. Talk to you soon. Bye.